Hey everyone, welcome to Delicacies and Flavors. Today I'm going to make vegetable pulao. So here in a pan I'm taking 2 tablespoons of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm adding whole spices like bay leaf, black cardamom, green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon and SHAHJEERA. And now I'm adding sliced onion. Give it a good mix and stir for 2 minutes. I'm sauteing the onion until it becomes translucent. I'm not letting them to go brown. In this recipe, I want the onion to cook well and not becoming brown. And I'm adding here green chilies, fresh mint leaves. Onion has become soft and translucent. Ginger garlic paste. Saute for 2 minutes. Now I'm adding all the veggies, cauliflower, potato, sweet corn, green peas, carrots and capsicum. Give it a good mix. This is a one pot meal, I can say, because you get to have you get a lot of vegetables in one single recipe. I'm adding salt to taste, mixing well. I'm covering and letting it cook for 2 minutes. The vegetables, I can say 40% they cooked. At this stage, I'm adding tomatoes. Tomatoes I have not added at the beginning because I want tomatoes to retain its shape. Now I'm adding rice, basmati rice. Here I have taken 300 grams of basmati rice, which is pre-washed and soaked for half an hour. And now I'm adding boiling water. The water I have taken double the quantity of the rice. Give it a good mix and cook on a high flame for 5 minutes. Yeah, after 5 minutes I'm going to cover this and cook on a low to medium heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, let me check the rice is cooked well. Yes, rice is cooked very well. See, it's cooked perfectly and it's not sticky. And the vegetables also cooked well. Look at the rice. It's so fluffy. And at the same time, it's not sticking. Now I'm adding finely chopped fresh coriander. That's it. You have a yummy vegetable pulao. So you can serve this with any type of raita, like bundi raita or onion raita or cucumber raita. Any raita goes very well with this recipe. So thank you guys, thank you for watching my channel. I'll cook this kind of simple recipes. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you, and we'll meet in another video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.